वो तो
आ जाओ, थोड़ा कवर कर देंगे।
हाँ
मैम की शक्ल है पीछे।
यहाँ पे
करना भाई नहीं आपने वीडियो बना
डन
या और भाई अंदर
यस सर
वेट
Yeah, thank you.
I know, I'm sorry.
काफी मान फोटो
अंदर में जा सकते हैं, अंदर को दफन कर सकते हैं।
पूजा एक सेकेंड एक मिनट में उसको
पहले सुनो
हाँ
पहले सुनो कर लेना।
हाँ यस मैम सामने देखते सामने सामने एकदम यहाँ पे एक सेकंड यहाँ पे मैम
यस आइए सर आइए सर
तो सेंटर लो।
आइए सर
विश्वजीत
ओ माय गॉड आइए मैम सर आइए
वाह का लाइट मारा है वाह कौन था ये महान सर
मुक्का नहीं मार सकती हाँ राइट ना
ओके या 11 p 11 a
What is 11 a.m.?
कम हो गया
यस कम थोड़ा पीछे सर सामने
या
Thank you.
डन
पीछे दोनों
दोनों है
तीनों ही टीम है देखते प्रिया तीनों टीम है दोनों ही
हाँ हाँ तीनों के साथ में हाँ
सोलो बाद में ले
ये साथ में हाँ मैम सामने एक मैम सामने 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 यहाँ पे अभी सेंटर 1 सेकेंड
बोलो मैम जस्ट वेट रुक रहे।
दोनों हो गया
यस पूजा जी सामने सेंटर के अंदर विश्वजीत
आइए ना
आप ऐसे ही फ्रेम करते हैं।
सर एक पिक्चर साथ में करते हैं
आइए,
सही सर राजा
पूजा इंसेंटिव
पिज़्ज़ा सही या
हमने काम कर सकते हैं Yes, center.
संतोष जी इधर आ जाओ
Ma'am, center. Center.
जल्दी आना
Yes.
अच्छा वन मोर पूजा
can we settle inside so we'll start
हाँ yeah come here.
thank you
Hello.
See, we all have dreams. I'm sure each one of us who are sitting here have our dreams. But we get so caught up with our own everyday lives that we never get the time to actually go and fulfill those dreams. There are very few who dare to do that. And being a high flyer and being an aviation businessman who actually deals in what we see up there or dream to see.
अनुषा जी साइड. अरे आ गए रे नन्ना.
Vishwajit Sunil ji is also here please go is everybody ready
Yeah.
shall I
Yeah.
okay done yes or no can we all come together and pose with that yeah
मैं कैमरे नीचे
थोड़ा राइट आ जाओ मोदी जी गायब हो गए Thank you. Thank you. Now it's going to take us 2 minutes, so I want him to sing 2 lines of the song first. So there you are.
I wanted to perform along with Rohit on the track actually. Yes, we'll do.
Yes, please go ahead.
सौ फिक्र छोड़ के मैं तेरी ओर चल पड़ा तेरे साथ बारिशों में मैं भीगने चल पड़ा तेरा हुआ मैं तेरा मेरा रहा ना मेरा ऐसे दो दिल मिले कारवां चल पड़ा मैं मुसाफिर तेरे रास्ते चल पड़ा मैं मुसाफिर तेरे रास्ते चल पड़ा सौ फिक्र छोड़ के मैं तेरी ओर चल पड़ा. Thank you very much.
अरे दादा. भाई अब थोड़ा एक मिनट खाली क्लोज it.
काका खाली बसा. नारायण दादा खाली बसा ना.
हाँ अभी yes sir
everybody.
अब वीडियो के लिए
Thank you. Shukriya. And I just want.
अरे पीछे से बैकड्रॉप भी लेके गया हूँ
Can we do a picture, please?
Yes.
थोड़ा close आ जाइए ना.
Yes.
कैमरा खाली करो
Are we seeing the song now?
उनको गाना देखना है
Chalo, yeah, we are done. Can we come down? Can we please see the song now? अब तो बुला ही दे दोगे क्या?
Yeah, well, right.
एक मिनट रोल है ना रुको
भाई हम लोग भी पीछे हम लोग का भी रोल ही था क्या मतलब कर ले आओ करो
चलाओगे चलाएंगे
All of you guys only come here, na? Make them all.
टिकेंगे ना
दादा पार्टी जेल से पार्टी है तुम हम करा कौन सा टोन है भाई
बस ये देखो बस ये देखो नान भाई जो बस ना
गोविंद घर जाओ तो लाइट कैमरा रहा पूरा बड़ा पीछे गए सही है इसको बोलो ब्लू टोन बंद कर दिया इसको
आपका लाइट नीचे कर दो ना
ये कैमरा मोबाइल पीछे लाइट ही निकाल दे वो
लाइट निकाल दो ना
जला के भी दो
चलिए हैप्पी बर्थडे
All three of you need to hold that along. Yeah. Wow. Shabir bhai. Shabir bhai. किधर हो यार राजा?
चलिए
1 second, I'll just take it out. Everything first.
केक का कैसे जलाएंगे
Yeah, you can just hold.
चलिए
आपका तो आर से काटे। मेरा पी भी नहीं है। इसका तो नहीं मैं मैं एक्चुअली वो काटी हूँ।
तेरा कैमरा थोड़ा नीचे काट दो
एकदम
चलिए काटे
चलिए
Thank you.
सर याद है कि हाँ
All the best.
अभी खिलाना भी है
हाँ
No, icing, no icing.
याद है सामने याद है कि नहीं यहाँ के लिए
सबका खिलाएंगे
शब्बीर अहमद के लिए
अरे पिछड़ो के निकाल रहे हैं अब हम मत पूजा रुको 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 पूजा रुको पूजा रुको इधर सामने स्टेप बाय स्टेप बोल दो हाँ
अभी बराबर
हाँ पूजा हाँ यस हाँ आप भी रेडी हाँ आप भी
पूरा right है ना? This is much nicer. Oh yeah. Video में भी maybe you both should help her. Hey, no. Yeah, actually.
यहाँ पे गया
You guys I didn't see that. I know where this came from. I know where this came from. But my dress is Yay! Now you all can enjoy the cake.
यहाँ पे इस तरफ
Come this side. Hey! How's the only clean one?
This should not come in media.
I bet something is going to come. I'm telling you, this is the picture which is going to come. Don't put it. You already put it on my dress.
I didn't tell you.
I'm going to send it to your house to wash it.
There's something else on the other side.
I'm going to send it to you. What is this? No, what do I do? You put it. You put it. You let. You what?
हो गया
Shahid, tell us about your experience. You haven't done a music video before.
Yeah, once that was like way back, 7-8 years back.
So why did you choose to go with Vishwajit's song?
One of my friends got in touch with me and he said, listen to this song is nice, I think this is nice, and he wants you to be a part of it. Apparently they had seen me on TV and they liked my performance, so they thought I'll fit in this particular music video. But when I heard the song, I said, I want to do it. It doesn't matter now if you want me to do it or no, I want to do it. Because I like the song. I think it has a soul, which I think is missing nowadays in music. And he is quite excited about it. I like his passion towards what he wants to do. He's leaving his job and coming to Bombay to pursue his career in singing. It's a big risk for anyone, and he's good at what he does. So I wanted to be like support him, be there for him. And a lot of my friends were also involved in it. I thought, why not? This will be a good break for me as well from my regular TV stuff. And yeah, we had fun while shooting. So.
How is it going?
My cake is gone, that's good.
Good. वो तो जाना ही था. So can I ask him questions?
Oh.
So how do you feel?
You to introduce the
Whose
awesome.
phone? No phone. Sorry? So how do you feel right now? I feel very happy.
I feel super excited actually.
I feel ecstatic, more than that. Sorry.
Rohit, was still some cake on my face? Somebody was telling
Yeah,
me.
there.
ठीक है. हाँ, it's there.
There.
Purple.
Yeah. Trishul.
Not there.
Give napkin.
यहाँ पे है.
Give a napkin. Napkin. Is it tissue or napkin? देना यार please. पानी है? पानी. नहीं ये नहीं. पानी? It won't go. Yeah, you'll need water. कैसा लगा वीडियो? अच्छा ऑफ द रेक सीरियसली नहीं पक्का आप लोग सब शेयर करोगे देखोगे
आप लोग शेयर करेंगे.
clap for this one he's going to keep it as his ringtone actually even I will my friends have already promised we are going to keep this is going to be our next ringtone
Of course.
but actually it is a beautiful song
मैंने भी कभी रिंगटोन नहीं रखा कॉलर ट्यून
मैंने भी कभी नहीं रखा.
मैंने भी नहीं रखा नहीं मैंने कॉलेज में
बिल्कुल कल रिलीज है.
कल से होगा कॉलर ट्यून आई थिंक वी कैन वो मेरे दोस्त का है कि उसने
अरे मैंने नहीं फेंका
कुर्बान कर दिया तुम्हारे बस मेरे को लुक मत दो
Pooja, we'd like to start with you. How beautiful is this experience?
Actually, more than beautiful, it's looking beautiful. But like you always must have heard कि वो हाथी के दांत दिखाने के कुछ और होते हैं. Honestly, this video was behind the scenes was anything was beautiful. Was mad, was crazy, was a lot of laughter and was a lot of fun. हंसते हंसते हमने ऐसे बस मस्ती में मजाक में शूट कर दिया था गाना. So it was a lot of fun. To say the least, it was a lot of fun.
How was it shooting in Pattaya?
Shooting in Pattaya, I mean, I've been to Pattaya a couple of times, so Pattaya didn't have anything more to add other than obviously for the cinematographer because he got amazing locations. But I think the team was extremely nice. They were very friendly, very cordial. Everybody just had one thing in mind that we have to give in our best. I don't know, the vibe was different. The vibe was just too nice, I think. Too good to be true. It was a dream. To say the least, it was a dream.
I think we got some beautiful locations. At one particular location, the white theme park.
Yes.
It looked very beautiful. The background, the sky. In our DOP, I think he's really good. He got some really nice shots. We shifted 3 locations in one day, I remember. We did so much work in such little time. And the results are really nice. I like it. I'm very impressed. I was not so sure at that time, honestly speaking. But now when I see it, I think it's looking beautiful.
How did you zero in on them and where did it all start?
Well, if you ask me frankly, I was following Shahir's work from last 2 years. I'm not a very TV guy, but yeah, my family, entire family used to watch Kuch Rang Pyar Ke Aise Hi, and they are a big fan of him. So, and my sisters to tell me that, तू भी ऐसा ही है, मतलब personality wise, whatever. I don't know, like nature wise, whatever. Not personality, he's very handsome, of course. Yeah. So I could relate to it.
We are two very different people. I can tell.
Yes. So somehow we connected. When I started thinking about this song, I was very sure from day one actually कि अगर शहीर हो जाए तो best है. But he never did any music video before. So we just asked few people कि हो सकता है कि नहीं and all, and some common friends made us meet him, and he readily agreed. So that was great. Coming to Pooja, again same here, same thing. I was wondering who can really fit with Shahir on screen and who can go well with.
Sorry.
Yeah.
It's not supposed to sound like that.
Well, the fans are calling you Shapu already. I can read the comments.
This is news.
Yeah. So
Don't get too
first day itself
excited
we all
and
connected and it all happened. It just happened.
Sorry, I'm not.
Looks like you all have had a lot of fun.
Yeah. I'll.
You related it with the Ghazab Payajan of Amir Khan.
Yeah.
So could you please elaborate about it?
If you, I'm a true blue romantic person at heart. For me, it's chick flicks, it's romantic films. जब मैंने ये गाना सुना and I just shut my eyes, I somehow it has this essence of very pure, beautiful, romantic, old school romance. Not today's romance. आजकल romance अलग तरीके से दर्शाया जाता है, but I didn't see it as that, and I'm glad that's not even shown. This is very old school, beautiful, pure kind of romance and love and chemistry. Yeah, so for me. The cult or the it song is Gajab Ka Hai Dil, and one more Hrithik Roshan song, Na Tum Jano.
ना तुम जानो.
So again, that is Dur Dur Wala Pyar. That's like my kind of pyar. So yeah, that's why I related to these two songs.
Any other experiences or any other?
Yeah, funny experiences. I don't know. I mean, they're just funny. They're just. So I'll tell you one silly experience that Shahir and me had. So we were having coffee after the first day's shoot, and we were sitting, and I am from Pune.
Not sure what she's gonna say. Okay, that one. Okay.
See, you know, that's how much fun we've had. That's how much fun we've had. Okay, I don't mind.
Okay. I got a little scared.
Sorry, guys. Sorry. God, okay, stop.
Okay, so what was it?
So, God. This is embarrassing. Okay. So the first day we're having Starbucks make coffee after the shoot. He's sitting opposite me and I'm sitting. So I'm from Pune and he happened to study and work for a few years in Pune. And I told him that, you know, I stayed in NIVM. He said, I also stayed in NIVM. I said, oh wow, I stayed in Kubera Park. He said, I lived in Kubera Park. I was like, how is it that I didn't meet you? So he said, I don't know यार, मैं वो ना वो झाड़ी थी वहाँ पे वो बिल्डिंग था, वो वाली बिल्डिंग में रहता था. And I know my society because I've lived there for 20 years. So I said, yeah, that's A12. He's like, हाँ पता नहीं कौन सा था, but वहाँ पे ना वो first floor पे कुत्ता था जो बहुत भौंकता रहता था. I was like, Crunchy. He's like, तू उस कुत्ते को जानती है. So yeah, I knew that dog because he was my brother's dog. He was my cousin brother's dog, and we just burst out laughing, and since then we haven't stopped laughing. So it was great. It was just, in short, you can make out already. It was mad fun. It was beautiful to say the least.
So basically, you're giving that on national television.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah, but Crunchy. Okay, whatever. Stop rolling. No, but
Please, guys, please.
Oh yeah, they got enough bites actually.
You can edit this.
no, it was beautiful. It was really beautiful. बारिश भी हो रही थी. बारिश में क्या होता है? प्लीज शहीर से पूछिए बारिश में क्या हुआ था. पहले दिन आपने लैंड किया था तो ओह या. We thought we were in a separate car and we thought we were in a different place.
Oh yeah. That was the craziest.
See, we've had such crazy times. I cannot even.
We thought we had gone to another city and the crew is somewhere else.
Yeah, so we entered a hotel and they looked at us and they're like,
No reservation.
no reservation. And we thought we were in Pattaya and we thought we have to be in Bangkok and it's 2.5 hours away. And we were like, what? We thought we were in a different city. So then we were arranging a cab to take us back to the city. So it was just, I can't even, it was.
You were laughing at that time.
Okay, there are so many, but enough.
Okay, now please take over.
Yeah, please take over.
Please ask some questions.
Please take over. We would bully him. We would bully him a lot. He was very Sida, so Sharif, such a nice, cute, sweet guy. We would really bully him. हम दोनों first day पता है क्या कर रहे थे? दोनों हम शरीर और मैं ऐसे बैठे थे. आप सिंगर और आप गाना गाओ थोड़ा, गाना गाओ. And he's so nice. He stood and he was like, कौन सा गाना? So अच्छा कौन सा? आपका कौन सा favorite है? आपका कौन सा favorite है? And I think you gave him some songs to sing.
Yeah.
And very
And he
religiously.
started singing, but
Yeah.
you were mesmerized.
Yeah, when he started, पहले तो हम खिंचाई कर रहे थे कि and then we were like, oh my God, he is amazing. He is amazing. Oh, he's so sweet.
एक line हो जाए. Come on.
मैं मुसाफिर तेरे रास्ते चल पड़ा, सौ फिक्र छोड़ के मैं तेरी ओर चल पड़ा.
We love you.
Thank you so much.
And thank you guys.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you so much. Stop,
Guys, please. देख लेना.
सब रोलेगा.
You're lying.
Oh my God. सब रोले.